Oh, every sure that every looks like Facebook. Yes. Okay, everything's working. Oh, hi everyone. I hope you had a great holiday season. I know that I took some time off. It was needed and it was wonderful. Can't say enough how important it was and just disconnect from everything. So I want to welcome everyone today to our live stream about using accounting data for strategic planning. I'm Katie Brailsford. I'm the president and CEO of KB Accounting. I have been in corporate nonprofit accounting for over 13 years before I opened the business. Um, I've been doing this for 15 years now. Wow, that went fast. But I'm thrilled that you're all here, whether you're watching live or you're watching it on replay. Welcome. I hope that you get some valuable information and that you'll share this. If you could comment below where you're from or what kind of business you're running, or maybe you're just thinking about starting a business, any of that, just comment, get the chat going, and share this video with anybody who you might think needs it. I have to close my email because it's dinging at me. So today we're going to dive into how your financial data can help you make smarter decisions and take your business to the next level. Before we get started, let's make this interactive, as I just said earlier. To start the chat by letting me know where you're tuning in from and what kind of business you're running or thinking about starting. It's always inspiring for people to see the variety of entrepreneur professionals that are joining these sessions, and it's good for others to see who their peers are. And of course, feel free to drop any questions or thoughts as we go along. I'll check at the end of the session and see if there's any questions and answer any that I can. And if you're watching on replay, do the same. We will get notifications and see if we can help you. So first, let's talk about why your accounting data matters. A lot of people see financial reports as just something you have to do for compliance or tax season. But here's the thing. Your numbers tell a story, and if you're not reading that story, then you're missing out on opportunities for growth and efficiency. Did you know that businesses using data strategically are 5 to 10 times more likely to see sustained growth? Accounting data isn't just numbers, it's a roadmap for your business's future. Now, what should you be paying attention to do? What should you be paying? Why that sounded funny to me. Here are 3 key metrics. 1, revenue growth. What that shows is how your business is expanding. Are you growing steadily? Do you have spikes and dips? It's important to understand the why behind these trends. So if you have a business that is very popular in the summer because of tourists, or it's just your busy season, then you're definitely going to see a dip in the colder months. If you own a ski resort, you're going to see a dip in the summer months. So it's just very important to know the why behind these trends. And maybe you could do something if you're a restaurant, say, and your business goes into a slump during the winter months. Maybe you could add trivia during those months to see if it draws in more people or something. But that's how you're going to be able to adapt and grow and expand your business. Profit margins. That tells you how efficiently you're converting revenue into profit. A small change here can make a really big impact. and cash flow trend. We all know cash flow is king. So you need to make sure that you're bringing in enough cash to cover your expenses and invest in growth. So we'll go through some quick calculations for each, and more importantly, how to interpret them. For example, if your cash flow is tight, it might not mean you're failing. It could just mean you need to optimize your invoicing or payment. So how do we turn these metrics into actionable strategies? Let's look at a couple examples. First, you could spot inefficiencies. Maybe you'll notice that your profit margins are shrinking. So by digging into your cost structure, you may find areas where you can cut back or optimize and save money. Next, let's say your cash flow trends show consistent growth. That might be a signal that you're ready to invest in some new equipment or hire some new staff or launch a marketing campaign. That's going to help you. They say you don't market for today, you market for 2 years. So keep that in mind too. So here are some questions to guide you when you're reviewing your financial report. 1, what's driving changes in my revenue and expenses? 2, are my margins consistent across different products or services? And 3, what's my cash position and how does it affect upcoming decisions? These are the kind of insights that will turn your raw data into powerful strategies. So now that we've talked, I'm saying so a lot today. I'm getting on my nerves. Now that we've talked about metrics and strategies, let's discuss how to keep this momentum going. Make it a habit to review your financial data weekly or monthly. Don't wait for the year end to see how you're doing. By then, it's too late to adapt and change, right? Get your managers or some key team members involved in the process. When everyone understands the number, you're more likely to work together towards strategic goals. And whether it's accounting software, dashboards, or even spreadsheets, find tools that make it easy to access and interpret your data. And remember, it is okay to start small. The consistency is key. So I'm going to check now and see if there's any questions. Facebook looks wrong, please. Possible. And it looks like YouTube is good. Perfect. So as always, if you know somebody who can use this information, share this video with them by either tagging them in the comments or just sending them a link to the video. If you would like more help in these, reach out to us and we'll see how we can help. And finally, make sure you add time in your day for you, not just for your business.